Hi everyone, this is a quick video to show you how to complete the Let Me Try exercises in your SIMbook chapters. These are great ways to get hands-on practice with the skills that you're learning right in the chapter. As you read, you will notice a Show Me, a Guide Me, and a Let Me Try in your chapters. If you scroll down, you'll see that there are several in the chapter. So in order to complete your SIMbook, you will have to do all of the ones in here, and when you open it, it opens in a simulated Excel environment. In this black bar at the top, you'll see the instruction, and in this case, it says change the font of the selected cells to Calibri. If I go ahead and do that correctly, it says that I'm correct, and I can move on to the next exercise. In this case, it wants me to change the font size of the selected cells to 16 point. I'm going to make an intentional error to show what it looks like if it's incorrect. And it gives me a little message telling me to use the drop-down list, and so I will do that, and this time it's correct. Now moving on to the next question, in this case, we're instructed to bold the text in the selected cells. Now, suppose I can't remember, I can click the Show Hint button, and the hint will tell me to click the bold button in the font group. So here's the font group in the ribbon, and if I hover over, I'll see that this is the bold. Now I can see that I am correct, and I can close. I could have also had it take me to the next Let Me Try, or I could just click in on the next box. So I'll just go through this again. So apply the formatting from the selected cell A4 to cells B4 to H4. So in this case, I'm going to use the Format Painter to do that, and it's correct. And I will continue, and now I can see I've continued to a new section, so it took me to a Show Me. Now the Show Me's and the Guide Me's are useful for you in case you need to see a video of someone doing the exercise, and the Guide Me will guide you through the exercise, but only the Let Me Tries are necessary. So there should be a Show Me, a Guide Me, or a Let Me Try available for each one. All right. I hope that helps you with how to do your SIMbook exercises to get credit.